In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money in the Telegram app using 3 simple methods that many creators and business owners use to earn online. We'll cover paid channels, affiliate links, and direct sales. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear idea of how to turn your Telegram audience into income. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and online business guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about paid channels. This is one of the most direct ways to earn money inside Telegram because you can charge members a monthly fee to access exclusive content. To set this up, go to your Telegram channel and tap the channel name at the top to open the group or channel info page. From there, look for the Manage option and tap it. Next, tap Invite Links. This is where Telegram lets you create and control special access links for your channel. Now tap Create a new link. When the setup options appear, enable the option that requires a monthly fee. Telegram will then ask you to enter how many Telegram stars are needed to purchase the subscription. Choose the amount that makes sense for your content and your audience. Once you save the settings, anyone who wants access to your paid channel will need to complete the subscription before joining. This works great if you share premium updates, private tutorials, trading signals, exclusive downloads, coaching content, or behind-the-scenes content. The key is to give people something valuable enough that they feel the monthly fee is worth it. Next, let's move to affiliate links. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning if you already have a Telegram group or channel. The idea is as simple. You share a unique referral link for a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can promote tools, apps, software, digital products, services, or even physical products, depending on your niche. The best way to do this is to recommend products that actually match your audience's interests. For example, if your Telegram group is about tech, you can share software affiliate links. If your audience is into fitness, you can share supplements, workout programs, or equipment. If your audience is into business, you can promote business tools and online services. Make sure your message is clear, honest, and useful. Don't just drop links without context. Explain what the product does, why it helps, and who it is for. That makes people much more likely to click and buy. Now, let's go to the third method, direct sales. This is where Telegram becomes a powerful platform for selling your own products or services directly to your audience. You can sell digital goods like ebooks, templates, presets, guides, or memberships. You can also sell physical products if you run an online store. Another great option is online courses, where you teach a skill and use Telegram to share lessons, updates, and support. If you're a freelancer or consultant, you can also use Telegram to attract clients and sell services like coaching, design, marketing, writing, editing, or social media management. The advantage of direct sales is that you keep more of the profit because you're selling something you own. To make it work, post clear offers, explain the benefits, and tell people exactly how to buy or contact you. You can also use pinned messages, welcome posts, and consistent updates to guide people toward your offer. A strong Telegram channel works best when you build trust first, then present a simple way to buy. So to recap, the 3 main ways to make money in Telegram are paid channels, affiliate links, and direct sales. Paid channels let you charge for exclusive access. Affiliate links let you earn commissions by recommending products, and direct sales let you sell your own products or services to your audience. If you want to grow faster, you can even combine all 3 methods together in one Telegram strategy. For example, you can run a free channel, promote affiliate offers, and also create a paid premium channel for your best content. That way, you're building multiple income streams at the same time. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.